Okay, so definitely want to make sure that it's free of like dirt, crud. Mine's obviously pretty dirty, and it's wet because of the oil. Get your cleaner, spray it really good, both inside and outside of the filter. Inside actually looks relatively clean. Cleaner. I can read, maybe. Anyways, take your cleaner, spray the inside good, spray the outside good. Mine's just really dirty on the outside, so I'm gonna make sure it gets all clean, get all the oil and crud off. So all right, so we've got it all sprayed out. Let that sit for a few minutes, and then you rinse it off with just water. So let me go get the water while that's penetrating. Okay, so clearly much better. Clearly much better. I might hit it with another coat here in a little bit, just because there are a few spots that aren't clean. But then you just want to let it dry. We're gonna just leave it out in the sun, let it dry. And then the last step is, once it's dry, spray the oil back on it and reinstall. So show you that here when the time comes. We're gonna let this dry. I might go through this and hit a couple more spots with the cleaner again in a little bit, but that's that. So we'll catch you in a bit once this is dry. Okay, so it's the next day. It rained, so I had to give this some extra time to dry, but now it's nice and dry. It's pretty clean. A few spots I missed, but I just like, whatever, it's close enough. It's good enough. Next, you want to take your oil. You want to spray this all over your filter. All over. Real good. Get inside. Spray everywhere. You're going to let that sit. Once you sprayed it all off, let it sit for like 5 minutes. And then you want to massage it. You want to rub it all in. All right, so we got the air filter. We've massaged the oil into it. So now all we gotta do is install it. So we're gonna install it. We did it! Now my hands are all oily. Oily hands. All right, it's all in, tightened down. He's ready to rip. That's how you clean your air filter. Pretty easy. Okay, bye.